Let's move to MassStars. Okay, again at MassStars, we also take part in the young competition that's called the New Stars. The first team I would like to bring out is Karat Media, Bobo and Erica. Bobo Ho, Erica Long.
Hello.
Yes, hello, Erica. Yeah.
Hello.
Bobo. Yes, go ahead.
Hello. Hello，大家好啦，咁我係 Erica 啦，同埋我嘅 partner Bobo 啦，咁今日咧都會想咧同 Bobo 一齊講下我哋成個 journey 裏邊嘅一啲 mesmerizing 嘅 moment 啦。咁因為其實我哋今次都好開心咧，可以喺呢一度 share 我哋去釜山 MassStar 嘅 journey。咁快講一下啦，咁其實因為咧我哋係去釜山嘅 MassStars 裏邊嘅 New Star 2025啦，咁 which is 係俾一啲工作經驗少過5年嘅我哋參加啦，而同 Young Camp Fan 同埋Young Camp Alliance都係一樣咧，我哋係會given 咧within 24小時裏邊咧去完成我哋嘅 competition 嘅。我哋個 deck 係
Sorry 我哋睇唔睇到你個 screen 嚇？佢哋個 deck。
好，我 share 多次啊。O 唔 OK？OK，
而家 OK 啦 ，Yes， 見到啦 ，Bobo and Erica，OK，go ahead。
係啦，冇錯啦。咁其實咧就同我哋即係啱啱 share 嘅一樣啦。我哋其實都係會 given 24個小時裏邊咧去完成我哋嘅 competition 嘅。咁樣冇錯啦，圈住咧嘅其實就係我哋啦。咁樣咧，咁今次嘅比賽咧固然係非常之即係 wonderful 啦，同埋咧其實我哋都有好多嘅 takeaways。咁但係咧，我哋其實咧，與其即係 instead of 係去 deep dive 去 share 一啲 competition 嘅 highlights 咧，我哋更加係想 share 咧我哋成個 journey 嘅一啲 mesmerizing 嘅 feels 啦，同埋一啲 small moments 嘅，因為我哋認為咧，即係我哋今次嘅 trip 咧可以咁 unforgettable 咧，除咗係一啲 big events 之外，其實好多嘅 small detail 呢啲 details along the way 咧都係非常之重要。
咁咧，其實咧喺我哋第一日去到釜山嘅時候咧，我哋都真係啱啱落機咁樣啦，都未 exactly 去到酒店咧，我哋都已經 feel 到咧，原來 MassStars 咧嗰個 vibe 咧係真係成個釜山嘅 city 咧都有個 ambience 喺度嘅。點解咧？就係因為我哋真係無意中喺條街度行下咧，你哋都見到咧喺右手邊嗰度咧係有啲 banner 啊咁樣咧喺度飄下飄下，跟住我哋就同 Erica 原來MassStars 係真係咁大咁樣啦，咁令到我哋咧其實真係好 excited。因為咁當然啦，我哋都知道 MassStars 係一個好 mega 嘅 event 啦。咁但係咧，我哋都係真係去到先知，原來佢真係一個好 city backed 嘅，真係成個 city 都好 supportive on 呢個 event 啦。咁令到我哋咧就真係更加覺得，哇！呢個係真係一個喺亞洲度一個好重要嘅一個 global advertising festival 咁樣啦。咁咧亦都係其實都幾 proud 咧，就係有一個咁 significant 嘅event 係可以喺亞洲嗰度舉行啦，就 gather 晒好多嚟自世界各地嘅一啲 creative industry 嘅人喺度。咁咧，咁講到釜山啦，咁其實咧，我哋第一下咁就梗係諗到好靚啊，韓國啊，又有海啊咁樣啦。咁所以咧，其實我哋即係一開始諗咧，都係諗到釜山，我哋去到我哋就會見到好靚嘅沙灘啊咁樣啦，因為佢都係即係好食。好出名㗎嘛，咁所以咧，其實當我哋第一日去到嗰個比賽嘅 event 嗰個 venue 嘅時候咧，咁我哋就純粹係真係去做 registration 啦。咁但係咧，其實我哋第一眼都係見到，哇！原來呢個比賽嘅嗰個 venue 咧，就係喺正呢個海雲台嘅沙灘嘅隔離咁樣。咁所以咧，我哋就即刻已經見到呢個好 stunning 嘅。即係海景啦，咁咧我哋就喺度諗我哋真係可以每日都好似好 enjoy 咁樣去呢度。咁所以咧，當然啦，我哋其實係有好緊張嘅，因為咁始終我哋係嚟比賽㗎啦。咁但係咧，我哋都想 take 呢個 opportunity 去到 explore around the city 啦，都係想感受一下嗰度嘅氣氛。咁 which 我哋都即係 believe 呢個係點解呢個 competition 要喺釜山舉行嘅其中一個原因啦。咁我
mute 咗 Bobo 嚇，Bobo mute 咗，開翻聲
mute 咗，
唔小心撳咗掣，yes， 而家 OK， 聽到啦，而家 OK 啦，仲喺呢個海雲台，你好中意嘅海雲台，繼續。
係啊，冇錯。 咁咧，因為其實即係可能大家諗起廣告嘅 industry 咧，就覺得啊，我哋就成日都要追 deadline 啦，要幫啲客諗橋啦，其實就好 intense 啦。咁但係咧，當我哋轉換咗個環境之後，啊，原來眼前係一片好靚好靚嘅海雲台嘅 beach 嘅時候咧，大家都可以想像就係好即係好浪漫啊，又有啲海風啊，好舒服咁樣啦。咁其實咧係一個好好嘅方式，俾我哋真係去 clear 我哋個 mind，然後我哋先至再諗我哋個 competition 要點樣去，即係有啲咩 idea 要 brainstorm 啊，或者係呢幾日嗰啲 event 究竟我哋要點樣去到即係擴闊我哋視野去識人咁樣啦，係啦，咁咧。
好，咁啊，我哋睇下呢個 feel 啦。咁其實咧，你望呢個 feel 嘅時候，其實都冇諗過，我哋其實就係喺呢一個景色底下咧，去 work out 我哋嘅 ideas。咁其實有別於，即係我頭先啱啱聽到 Caroline 嘅分享，先知原來佢哋係會喺一間房裏邊需要完成佢哋嘅 task 啦。咁但係其實我哋係好 freely 咁樣可以有自己選擇唔同嘅地方啦，去完成我哋嘅 ideas。咁所以咧，我哋就揀咗喺一個釜山嘅海邊嘅 cafe 啦，咁就對住一片大海咧，去咁樣去work out 我哋嘅 ideas 啦。咁我哋咧就一邊喺度 work 啦，咁啊一邊就又喺度食，同埋一邊咧就 enjoy 呢個 feel 咁樣咧去完成我哋成個 task 嘅。咁其實咧，我覺得喺呢個 task 裏邊咧，其實即係好有別於我哋平時嘅工作環境啦。咁可能喺 office 裏邊，我哋其實可能 generate 唔到一啲好 creative 嘅 idea，或者一啲好爆嘅 idea 啦。咁但係反而喺呢一個環境底下咧，我哋可以好 relax 咁樣去進行我哋嘅構思啦，同埋我哋就可以，我哋發現其實可能一啲 good 嘅 ideas 係 not only from 個 meeting room，but from the world around us 咁樣樣。咁啊，講咗咁多啦，咁我哋都翻去我哋MassStars 2025啦。咁其實咧，除咗我哋去用我哋嘅眼睛去 capture 呢一啲 mesmerizing 嘅 feel 啦，咁其實我哋其實遇到嘅人咧，都係咁 inspiring 同埋咁令人難忘啦。咁其實即係可能too much information，但其實我同 Bobo 咧都係 introvert 啦，即係 I 人嚟嘅。咁但係咧，我哋可能譬如話喺認識其他國家嘅contestants 啊嘅時候咧，其實都會少啲主動 approach 佢哋啦。咁但係好 surprising 嘅就係咧，其他嘅 contestants 啦，咁 not only 係 new stars，甚至係一啲 young stars 咧，其實都好主動咧去 approach 我哋。同埋去 share 佢哋嘅 idea，同埋咧，其實我哋喺過程中咧都遇到好多即係 Koreans 啦。咁其實佢哋可能同我哋係有一啲 language barrier 嘅。咁可能即係我哋又未必識韓文啦。咁佢哋嘅英文可能又未必同我哋溝通到啦。咁但係咧，佢哋都好熱情啦，同埋佢哋咧可以 share 到一個好inspiring 同埋 attentive 嘅 attitude 咧，令我哋咧都即係我哋都覺得係好值得去學習咯。尤其是佢哋即係一啲 young stars 都仲係學生嚟嘅。咁其實完咗個 competition 裏邊咧，之後咧，我哋都去 join 咗一個 networking 嘅 party 啦。咁其實佢 bring along us，即係 bring along all the new stars and young stars together。咁其實咁我哋頭先都講，我哋都係 introvert，咁所以喺呢啲event 其實我哋本身都以為我哋會冇咁 comfortable 啦。咁其實好 unexpectedly 咧，就係其實呢一個 event 嘅 ice break 咧係非常之輕鬆啦，同埋咧佢 blend in 咗好多 Korean 嘅 culture，譬如話佢會engage with 一啲Korean 嘅 culture 嘅酒 game 啊咁樣樣啦，令我哋咧都好快可以get into 佢哋，同埋可以好容易咁樣去認識到新嘅人咯。咁所以呢樣嘢都會令我哋認為喺呢一個 trip 裏邊可以獲得到嘅 connection 係非常之unforgettable 嘅。
咁咧，除咗一啲 connecting activities 之外咧，咁其實咧成個 event 咧都有好多嘅 exhibition 啊、conferences 咁樣啦。咁咧呢一度咧就係其中一個即係 exhibition hall 係嘅樣啦。咁其實咧大家都見到咧，佢就係好似一個 gallery 咁樣。咁但係咧我哋會形容即係佢係一個 gallery，but full of creativity 啦。因為佢哋貼住嘅咧其實全部都係一啲即係shortlisted 嘅 campaigns 啊，又或者真係一啲 award-winning 嘅 campaign 啦，咁我哋係真係可以睇呢一啲展覽嘅時候咧，見到原來係其他國家嘅人係咁樣去到做一啲嘅 campaigns 嘅。 因為可能就算我哋本身 stay 喺香港啦，咁我哋去金帆嘅都係一個即係已經係一個好大嘅 advertising 嘅 festival 啦。咁但係咧好多時候都係睇到哦，原來香港就即係香港好多 creative ideas 咧已經係好 inspiring 噶啦。咁但係咧當我哋去到釜山呢一個 MadStars 嘅其他 exhibition 嘅時候咧，就更加令我哋發現哦，原來其他國家嘅嗰啲 campaigns 都可以真係好大好大啦，咁有好多好 insightful 嘅嘢可以俾我哋 learn from 啦。咁當然啦，我哋都有喺入邊咧見到我哋即係有香港嘅 campaigns，咁 which 咧都係即係我哋都好 proud of 嘅，係啦。咁咧除咗呢啲 exhibition 之外咧，咁咧我哋都仲有就係啲 conferences 啦，亦都有好多真係喺 creative industry 一啲 expert 啊 professionals 啊去到 share 啦。咁其實咧都係非常非常之 inspiring 嘅。咁當中咧我哋除咗呢啲 conference 之外咧，其實我哋嗰個比賽完咗之後咧，都有個 debrief 嘅 session 啦。咁咧就係 gather 晒啲 juries 就一齊喺度即係 kind of 點評翻大家submit 咗嘅 campaigns 咁樣啦。咁好 interesting 嘅咧就係每一個其實基本上咧咁多個 juries 好多都係 from 唔同嘅 country 嘅。咁所以咧大家就係即係英文未必係佢哋嘅 mother language 啦，但係佢哋都係即係要通過英文去到溝通咁樣啦。咁咧我哋見到嘅就係咧。雖然佢哋係 from 唔同嘅國家啦，跟住佢哋即係講嘅 language 都唔同啦，然後咧其實好多時候佢哋可能睇個 campaign focus 嘅嘢都未必一樣，咁但係咧佢哋好 common 嘅嘢咧就係佢哋會諗咗一個 problem 先，然後咧先至再去諗下究竟佢嗰個 creative solution 應該係點樣。Instead of 咧，我哋成日都即係一嚟就係我哋要點樣去諗一個 creative idea，就唔記得咗咧佢即係喺個 background 入邊嗰個 problem 係啲乜嘢咁樣。係啦，咁咧去到 wrap up 翻我哋成個 trip 啦，其實咧啱啱就 share 咗咧都有好多真係一啲大大小小嘅，可能係我哋路上睇到嘅嘢啦，或者係真係喺個 event 入邊我哋睇到嘅嘢啦。其實我哋覺得咧，當然啦，個比賽即係我哋唔係 share 咗好多關於我哋比賽嘅 idea 啊咁樣啦。咁但係咧，其實 throughout 個 journey 咧，就係呢啲好 mesmerizing 嘅 feel 咧，就 shape 咗我哋嘅 idea 啦，亦都令我哋咧就更加多嘅 creativity 啦。咁另外咧，當然就係因為有一個 change of environment 啦。咁平時我哋成日都喺 office 嗰度度橋咁樣。咁但係咧，當我哋真係轉換咗環境嘅時候咧，其實我哋又可以睇，即係都可以 kind of 睇一個 problem differently 咯。咁所以我哋就都好想話俾大家知，成個 experience 係咁樣啦，亦都係 kind of unlock 咗我哋一個新嘅方法去到諗，同埋去到 collaborate， 同埋去到認識世界各地嘅人咁樣啦。Thank you。
好啦，多謝 Erica 同 Bobo。I think I can confirm that both Erica and Bobo, they are I people, okay? They are I persons here. But it's glad to hear a pair of I persons, going, going out of your comfort zone, okay? And then they experience that much. And I like the topic, okay? You're sharing your mesmerizing moments with us. Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay, so Bobo and Erica, they are from Karat Media. And then right now, I would like to invite the next team. The next team is from Havas. Chill Not Yet. It's from Havas. Of course, Havas is a creative agency. So let's have Charlie and Louis. Let's hear what they're going to present. Hello, Charlie, Louis. Yes. We see you. Hello. Unmute your mic. Yeah.
你睇唔睇到個 deck 啊？大家
睇到 Stay open, stay curious. Over to you。
我講多次。大家好啦，咁我哋就係 Charlie 同埋 Louis 啦，咁我哋就係參加咗呢個2025韓國嘅New Star Mad Competition 啦。咁其實中間嘅過程好老實講都係大同小異，都係收 brief 啊，然後我哋就做 work 咁樣啦，所以我哋都長話短説啦。咁我哋今次嘅 sharing 嘅 topic 咧就係stay open 同埋 stay curious。咁點解係呢兩組詞咧？其實就係代表咗我哋喺韓國呢5日嘅寫照啊。Stay open 咧就係代表我哋其實就係認識唔同嘅人啦，而 stay curious 就係對所有嘅新事物都係要 stay curious 咁樣嘅。咁其實喺韓國咧，雖然係只有短短嘅幾日啦，但係其實都好似發生咗好多事咁樣。咁下面 大家見到嘅呢啲相啦，其實就係記錄咗我哋呢5日各種好難忘嘅一啲 moment 同埋我哋一啲經歷咁樣啦。咁好似係由收 brief 去到交我哋嘅work 嘅時候咧，其實我哋都係用咗1日可能多少少嘅時間去完成呢個比賽嘅。即係可能我哋其實嗰一日就係收完 brief 之後就坐咗喺間 cafe 度做咗12個鐘頭，咁可能1日3餐都喺同一個地方解決咁樣啦。咁又或者我哋又係喺之後嘅 event 咧，亦都係認識咗好多嚟自世界各地唔同嘅一啲嘅新朋友 creative 咁樣。咁我哋喺呢一個 message 入邊，我哋都係可以見到唔同嘅 case 啦，同埋聽咗好多唔同 creative 嘅分享咁樣嘅。咁而其中令我哋最難忘同埋最意想不到嘅位就係咧，其實我哋喺今次嘅活動入邊咧，我哋認識咗好多嚟自世界各地唔同嘅好有才華嘅人啊。其實大家都好 friendly 啦，咁就喺呢個 opening ceremony 入邊啦，咁大會咧應該都係想我哋係認識到唔同嘅人嘅，所以其實佢哋就冇 assign 到個位置俾我哋啦。即係其實我哋可以見到張相入邊啊，好多唔同嘅圓台咁樣。其實我哋一開始咧都係好 panic 嘅。咁我哋入到去應該坐邊咧
？Sorry 啊，Charlie，你哋係咪你哋去 click the slides 啊？你仲係喺 stay open，stay curious 喎？
我哋有冇 click 到個 slide？我 click 緊咯。
係啊。冇 turn 嚇，
咁你要重新再 share 個。
好啊。
係啊 ，hand 咗機啊，原來嚇。唔緊要啊，再 share 個，我哋睇住你哋兩個個樣先啦。OK， 係啦，我而家見到個大星星啦，係 Mass Stars，that's good， 係好多相啦，真係好多相啦呢度。Good，carry on。
係啦，跟住咧，我哋就喺呢一個過程入邊就認識到好多唔同人咁樣啦。咁我哋點樣認識呢一班嘅新朋友咧？咁其實我哋就係喺一個 opening ceremony 度。咁一開始嘅入去好 panic 啦，其實我哋都係 I 人嚟嘅，入到去啦，咁就揾個位坐低啦。咁跟住就，咁機緣巧合底下啦，就認識咗一班即係嚟自唔同地方嘅人嘅，即係有日本啊，有韓國啊，甚至係印度嘅新朋友仔嘅。咁我哋就認識咗大家啦。咁就去到第2日咯喎，咁第2日咧其實都有個networking party 嘅，咁我哋又好彩地遇到同一班嘅朋友仔啦，咁好自自然然底下咧，咁我哋傾下就熟咗嘅。咁我哋傾偈嘅過程入邊咧，咁其實我哋都係講下大家今次比賽嘅一啲 work 啊，分享下大家做咗啲乜嘢啊，又或者其實原來我哋後尾咧都會傾到下，原來我呢幾個地方嘅廣告業咧，原來係好唔同咁樣嘅，而大家都嚟自唔同地方啦，咁我哋唔知點解又會傾下大家嘅文化背景啊，同埋興趣啊，咁原來知道咗咧唔同地方嘅一啲廣告業嘅趣事咁樣啦，即係純粹分享啦，即係好似我哋原來得知到咧，原來日本 Dentsu 咧係會行富士山做 team building 嘅，咁同埋原來大家攞 inspiration 嘅地方咧，原來都好唔同嘅喎，即係可能香港我哋係會睇 Pinterest 啊，或者係一啲 case 咁樣啦，但係原來喺唔同地方咧，佢哋係會睇一啲唔同 artist 啊，唔同copywriter 嘅一啲嘅 Instagram 啊，或者唔同導演嘅一啲作品咁樣嘅，係啦。咁喺呢個交流嘅過程入邊啦，其實我哋都會有一啲新嘅 creative insight 同埋想法啦。咁我哋最後都交換咗 contact 啦，都係當認識咗一個全新嘅朋友咁樣啦。咁去到最後咧，我哋都覺得呢個係一個好有趣同埋好難忘嘅經驗啦，俾我哋嘅全新嘅體驗啦。即係我哋都好感恩有呢個平台可以認識到嚟自世界各地唔同嘅人嘅。
咁成個 Mass Star 即係俾我感覺係好開心、好 happy 嘅，即係成個比賽都 casual 啦咁樣㗎啦。咁我哋個 topic 話 stay open 啊嘛，咁就其實有一個其中一個經驗就係同嗰個印度嗰 team 個參加者問佢問題，即係問佢點解參加呢個比賽咧？咁其實佢哋就係純粹話想玩就參加咗，咁即係 why not 咁樣啦。咁最後佢仲要拎到第3咁樣，即係我令我俾到個 inspiration 就係覺得即係其實唔使擔心自己夠唔夠料去參加，其實你只要去參加，其實已經 open 咗好多唔同嘅機會咁樣啦。咁同埋我覺得要 keep 住 stay curious，就係可能去趁呢個機會識下其他唔同嘅人咁樣啦。Even 你參加完個比賽，想得到更加多嘅建議或者意見，你都可以去揾啲 judges 去問佢哋問題啊，問佢哋有啲咩嘅反應啊咁樣。咁所以我其實我覺得成個 Mass Star 係似一個 party，都多過個比賽咁樣咯，係令你打開一個更加多嘅 connection 啊，即係令你一個 eyes open 嘅經驗咁樣咯。大概就係咁啦。
呢個就係我哋嘅 sharing 啦，多謝。
係。
OK， 好 ，thank you，very good。我哋做咩？我哋而家係多 I 人做廣告行業嘅，我哋我哋啲同學仔入邊多 I 人定多 E 人啊嚇？OK， 好。 And then our next team, okay, our next team, I don't know whether they are I people or E people. I think maybe both I and E, yeah. And then I'll also let them share their honor with you guys, okay?
Yeah.
Next team is from Chill. So it's Lui and Ricky. Ricky, okay?
Hello，聽唔聽到我哋？
Hello. I saw both of you 見到你哋係啦嚇。
我哋都係 I 人啊。
你又係 I 人 ，Ricky 都係咩
係啊
？Ricky 唔係嘛
超級大 I 人。
好啦，事不宜遲啦，我哋即刻開始啦，咁樣
？Yes,
好唔好？
please.
係啦，咁首先啦，大家好啦，咁我係阿女啦，咁佢係 Vicky 啦，咁我哋都係 from True Hong Kong 嘅。好，咁咧，其實我哋今日咧想分享一個 topic 俾大家啦，咁就係 Small Insight to Mad Love 啦。咁點解我哋會 come up 一個咁樣嘅 topic 咧？咁其實都想講下啦，大會咧其實俾咗任務我哋每一組嘅，咁所以我哋咧都諗一個比較有趣啊嘅 topic 啊，同埋一啲有用嘅內容去 share 俾啲學生知道啦。咁知道你哋嚟緊都會即將迎接一個比賽嘅，我哋都希望用我哋嘅經驗話翻，即係可以 share 下俾大家聽，可以睇下點樣去面對即將接下落嚟嘅挑戰咁樣啦。咁知道咧，其實大多數人咧出現喺呢個 online talk 嘅目的咧，其實都係為咗聽接住落嚟嘅 student campaign briefing 嘅。咁或者你哋都唔會在意我哋呢啲咁嘅 talk 啦。咁或者你哋喺度碌緊手機啊，或者你哋都唔知飛咗去邊度啦。其實我哋咧都一樣會嘅。咁你哋試下諗下啦。咁你哋即將咧面對評審咧，其實可能要一次過面對住可能over 70份 student 嘅 project。咁點樣去 grab 到佢哋 attention 咧？咁或者呢一樣嘢咧係先係最緊要嘅嗰一樣main point 啦。咁所以啦 ，creative 嘅世界咧，或者有無限個留住 attention 嘅方法，但係咧 humor 咧係我哋今年咧喺 MadStar 入邊咧體驗得最多嘅一個方式嚟嘅。咁趁呢個機會咧，我哋講翻點解我哋有呢個機會去到 MadStar 呢個 trip 先啦。咁事緣咧，因為我哋參加咗上屆嘅一個 Young Campaign 比賽啦，咁而得到一個機會而去到釜山嘅。咁呢個係一個乜嘢嘅比賽嚟嘅咧？咁呢個 Young Campaign 比賽咧，其實咧就同 Student Campaign 咧就一樣，亦都係一個 creative 嘅比賽啦。但係咧唔同嘅位咧，呢個咧係喺24小時入邊咧交到一個 creative 嘅 idea 出嚟嘅。好，再落啦。咁咧當初我哋收到 brief 咧，其實就係咁樣噶啦。咁喺一個蓬勃嘅時代啦，廣告人仲有啲咩嘅優勢咧？點樣先可以 revalue 到人類嘅創意咧？咁當時收到呢個 brief 咧，我哋兩個就喺度諗啦。咁即係如果要面對面臨 AI 會取代到廣告人嘅局面咧，我哋廣告人，尤其是我同 Vicky 低層咧，仲有啲咩優勢咧？咁比賽入邊咧，其實每一組咧都做咗好多好好嘅 demo 出嚟啦，佢哋都有好多唔同嘅作品。即係有啲同學就講啦，創意可能係源自於廣告人嘅腦嘅 AI 都只不過係工具。有啲人又可能講AI 都係要喺人類身上邊學習，最後都係要靠人類創意 input 啦。咁而我同 Vicky 咧，我哋都係由同樣 insight 咁樣出發嘅。不過我哋咧就試下從一個比較 offbeat 少少嘅角度去入手啦。咁對我哋嚟講咧 AI 都係一個工具，但係個 main point 係 AI 對我哋嚟講咧係一個要俾錢嘅工具啦。Midjourney 又好King AI 又好ChatGPT 又好Grammarly 又好樣樣對我哋嚟講咧都係錢嚟嘅。咁問題係咧，我哋公司咧係唔會俾我哋添錢啦，樣樣都要我哋俾錢啦。咁再落下一版啦。咁重點嚟啦，我哋發現咧玩過手一計咧，其實我哋成條 team 加埋俾 AI 嘅月費咧，分分鐘仲貴過請一個 Vicky 翻嚟。咁重點係咧，請 Vicky 翻嚟咧，佢仲會落手落力咁樣砌啦，仲識得用 AI 添。咁所以 finally 咧，我哋就 come up 咗一個咁樣嘅 idea 出嚟啦。咁我哋點樣去 revalue 我哋同 AI 嘅分別咧？上翻一版先。咁首先最直接嚟講咧，就經過計算啦，咁可能就係第一個 value 就一定係平啲先啦，咁第二個 value 咧就可能係我哋抵啲啦，咁就係 Vicky 勁抵得諗啦，即係翻工咧仲要自己俾埋錢去 subscribe AI 啦。咁第三個 value 咧當然係人類比 AI 仲更加重要嘅價值啦，就係 AI 控制唔到其他 AI 嘅，反而咧人類嘅創意咧先可以控制到咁多 AI。
係，我直情咧攞Midjourney咧一個月我用咗咧成4000幾蚊去買一個年 plan 啦，即係用咗勁多錢，我好似俾錢去貼錢去翻工咁樣咯。所以我覺得我就諗到呢個 insight 去諗會唔會其實我個人仲係仲有 value 過 AI 咧咁樣。
咁所以我哋最後 come up 呢個 idea，其實未必係咁多組入邊最好嘅 idea 啦。但係作為一個廣告啦，可能作為一個創作啦，尤其喺比賽入邊咧，你點樣可以 grab 到人哋 attention？ 點樣可以令到人哋會心微笑咧？咁可能呢個分分鐘已經係你成功嘅第一步嚟嘅。 咁之後啦，我哋就因為 Young Campaign 啦，我哋就好幸運咁樣去到釜山，得到個比賽入場券啦。咁而去到釜山咧，迎接我哋咧，又係另一個30個鐘不眠不休嘅地獄啦。咁再接落嚟啦。咁而今次咁啱收到 brief 咧，又係 AI 喎，但係今次收到呢個 brief 咧係剛剛好調翻轉嘅。咁點樣調翻轉咧？咁今次呢個 brief 咧就好直接啦。咁就係點樣去令到最多嘅人同埋大眾去接觸到 AI 同埋學識用 AI 啦。咁講真，AI 咧並唔係人人都需要用嘅，但係的確人人都可以用到 AI 啦。唔係啲咩大問題你先可以問 AI，幾無聊嘅問題咧，其實你都可以問 AI 啦。即係有啲人可能問下佢生肖啊、八字啊，咁咩問題其實你都可以問 AI。但係個問題係咧，點樣你先可以叫做學識用一個 AI 咧？呢一個先係一個好嘅問題啦。因為我自己咧最開頭咧，我除咗 Midjourney 之外咧，其實所有 AI 我都唔係好識用。咁再落去啦。咁學識用每一個 AI 咧，其實我哋每個人都會有第一步啦。而第一步就係咧，點樣去寫一個好嘅 prompt 啦。而每一次每一次用一個新嘅 AI 嘅時候咧，其實都好似要重新打一次 prompt 咁樣啦。要學下點樣講咧，你先會變到唔係雞同鴨講咁樣啦。咁所以學 AI 對我哋嚟講咧，其實我哋就 get 到啲 insight 啦，即係會唔會就好似學語言咁樣咧？咁 AI 的確唔係人人都需要用啦，但係語言咧其實人人都需要嘅。咁所以最後咧，我哋就 come up 咗一個咁樣嘅 idea 出嚟啦，用一個學語言嘅工具啦，當 AI 係即係當 AI 嘅 prompt 咧係語言咁樣去學啦，學一個新嘅外語啦，學下點樣同 AI 去溝通咁樣啦。
咁我嗰陣時咧都有即係我自己本身都有學開韓文咁樣啦。咁我有時覺得即係你平時學啲新嘅 language 啊，學一啲語言啊，好多時都係靠可能我係靠嗰啲 apps 啊、啲 function 啊，去學多啲去點樣同人溝通嘅。可能我有時咧都係即係今次啦，同阿女去呢個比賽啦。咁咧我有時會出去食嘢嘅時候，因為我本身雖然都有學少少韓文啦，但係如果你個好流暢咁樣所成句嘢講出嚟，我係未必得嘅。咁有時都會可能靠下啲 AI 嘅 translate 啦，可能問翻嗰個店員到底講啲乜嘢，我先可以明啦。所以啲先再 come up with，其實咧，我哋而家學即係學 AI 啦，即係學啲 prompt 咧，就好似學啲 language 咁樣嘅。咁所以最後尾先 come up 到呢個 idea 出嚟咯，係啦。
我一定要去同 Vicky 翻嚟講佢哋嗰個作品。我哋可以好簡單好快講，因為佢哋其實喺48隊係嘛？喺48隊入邊，佢就係攞咗第2名嘅。呢個係我哋香港最高嘅 record 喺呢個 New Stars 啦。咁我交翻俾 Vicky 同埋阿女好唔好？
好啊，咁都唔耽誤大家啦。我哋直接就由呢個 New Star 開始講啦。咁都希望我哋呢一個
Vicky 坐過啲嚇，坐過啲嚇。
呢個少少嘅經驗都希
得啦，
望
見到啦，見到啦嚇，得講啦。
係啊，我哋都希望我哋呢個少少嘅經驗都可以幫到接住落嚟嘅一啲 student，你哋都可以即係可能攞少少我哋唔同嘅 sharing，咁你哋都可以贏得你哋想要嘅student campaign 嘅比賽啦。咁我哋咧其實呢一個 New Star 嘅比賽咧，其實都係一個類似啦30個鐘不眠不休嘅一個 New Star competition 嚟嘅。咁咧而今次咧咁啱收到 brief 咧，都係講 AI 啦，不過呢個 AI 咧係調翻轉咁樣講啦。咁點樣調翻轉講咧？咁其實呢個 brief 咧對我哋嚟講咧係非常之直接嘅，就係點樣去令到最多嘅人同埋最大眾咧都可以接觸到 AI 啦，學識用 AI 啦咁樣。咁講真 AI 咧唔係人人都需要用啦，但的確咧 AI 咧人人都可以用到啦。咁但係咧最大嘅問題係咧點樣先叫做學識用一個 AI 咧？再落下一版。咁其實學識用一個 AI 咧，每個人都有佢嘅第一步嘅。咁而第一步咧，永遠都係咧學識點樣去打一個好 effective 嘅 prompt 啦。咁而每次咧，我用一個新 AI 嘅時候咧，我自己咧都好似要重新學一次點樣去同佢溝通啊，點樣去學一個 prompt 點樣打嘅。要學識點樣講咧，你先會變到同 AI 唔會變咗雞同鴨講咁樣啦。咁所以咧，對我哋嚟講咧，我哋就捉住咗 insight 啦，就好似學 AI 咧，其實就好似學一個新嘅語言咁樣。咁所以咧，我哋就 come up 咗一個咁樣嘅 idea 出嚟啦。咁 AI 咧，的確唔係人人都需要去用啦，但係語言咧就調翻轉，其實人人每日都需要用語言。咁所以我哋最後就 come up 咗呢個 idea 啦。我哋用一個學語言嘅工具，當 AI prompt 咧係一個語言咁樣去學習啦，學一啲新嘅語言，其實都係學緊點樣同 AI 用一個新嘅語言去溝通咯。咁我哋有個少少 round up 啦，咁創意同埋Hilma 有冇一個共通點咧？咁 咁我自己就有一個少少嘅諗法，就係其實講一個笑話或者諗一個 creative，其實我哋都係將一啲日常我哋見到或者我哋去留意到嘅一啲少少嘅嘢攞嚟做一個故事嘅素材。咁你有冇真係好對你日常嘅敏鋭咧？你揾唔揾到呢啲素材咧？你有冇發現原來呢個古仔原來可以咁樣攞嚟用嘅喎咁樣。咁睇翻 MadStar 咁多 case 啦，其實 Humour 咧絕對係入邊咁多 case 入邊 show 得最多嘅一個creative 嘅 formula 嚟嘅。咁我咧就揾咗一個其中一個我自己好中意嘅一個 work 啦，都係今年嘅。咁我哋可以 play 一 play 啦。
This is the frame, the art TV from Samsung. And we call it like this because when you buy it, you acquire more than 1,600 works of art from the world's leading museums and galleries. And like any other TV in Spain, the value-added tax on purchase is 21%.
But it is not only a TV, but it's also a piece of art.
Did he just say piece of art? Art is only taxed at 10% in Spain. So if this is art, but this is also considered art, and even this painting that someone paid $137.5 million is art, who's to say your drawings aren't art too? Samsung presents The Art of Hack, a promo to automatically lower the price of the frame, giving you the chance to put your drawings on it and buy it as if it were art and not a TV.
咁相信大家睇完個 case 都好明白佢講緊咩啦。咁呢個 case 咧，我自己咧就好中意啦。咁睇完咧，我就用 first thought 就覺得就係點解我冇諗過可以咁樣買呢個電視咧？我自己咧就好中意佢哋揾到一個幾 offbeat 嘅 insight 啦。就喺西班牙咧買電器咧，其實要交稅咧係貴過買一幅畫嘅。咁而到 execution 嘅時候咧，我好中意佢用一個好踩界嘅方式啦，去 boost 個 sales 啦。佢令到每一個想買嘅人咧，佢都可以參與到，同時間咧佢哋都 create 咗好多好有趣嘅畫出嚟啦。咁所以我哋都 concept 咗一個少少嘅 round up 啦。我哋就覺得喺呢個 case 嘅角度咁樣睇，其實你可能會發現到有時創意同埋幽默感咧，其實都係有少少踩住條界嘅。咁樣先會有啲火花咁樣去 spark 到出嚟咯。
咁最後啦，咁我哋都想分享少少我哋喺釜山即係一啲個 trip 嘅趣事咁樣嘅。咁咧事緣咧就係我哋咧喺釜山咧夜晚啦，即係成日都聽到人講話我哋曾經喺釜山燒煙花好靚啊，見到。咁我哋咧就傻更更咁樣走咗去 7-Eleven 就去買啦，即係買啲滴滴金，諗住去燒煙花，可以即係一齊影相啦，捕捉最靚嘅 moment 啊。咁點不知後嚟咧，我哋真係喺度疑惑緊，其實到底係咪真係可以燒煙花咧咁樣啦？咁點不知咧，我哋再用 AI 去問啊，即係 Google 問一問啦，到底釜山呢個時候可唔可以燒煙花咧？佢答我唔得咯，因為佢話喺呢個特定節日先可以燒嘅。咁但係我哋仲有一個踩嘅，即係得意少少嘅手法咧，去點樣喺個釜山上面燒煙花咧？我哋就用咗一個 AI 嘅做法，係啦。咁咧，然後咧就我哋可以即係有少少踩界得嚟咧，又有少少即係令到我哋想擁有嘅一個最靚最好嘅 moment 咧，就呈現翻出嚟咁樣咯。所以我覺得大家都可以即係運用少少 AI，或者將你自己想發揮或者實現唔到嘅嘢，都可以喺 AI 度呈現出嚟咁樣咯。係啦。
Thank you. That's it.
Oh, thank you so much. The first one will be from DDB Chili. DDB Chili Wong。Hello。揾緊你，未見到你個樣。Hello。喺度嘅，因為我哋好多人啊今日。Yes，hello Chili。Yes。Hello。Yes。
Hello， 睇唔睇到咧？
睇到。
睇到，好，大家好
Yes.
，Hello， 我係嚟自 DDB 嘅 Chili。咁首先好多謝Hong Kong Voice 俾到我今次呢個機會，咁難得可以去到MadStar 2025啦。咁今次呢個 festival 其實佢成個主題係關於 AI 嘅。咁佢 AI 呢個 topic 啦，咁佢喺 exhibition 上面有唔同嘅新嘅 technology 可以玩到，可以試到，亦都有好多唔同嚟自唔同國家嘅人去參與，有唔同嘅 sharing 啦。咁好難得嘅係有唔同角度去分析 AI 呢件事。分別會有 creative 嘅角度去睇啦，有 marketing 角度去睇啦，甚至連 business 嘅角度去睇都會有。咁佢哋嘅分析、佢哋嘅睇法，同埋分析佢哋發展嘅趨勢啦。咁呢樣嘢對我嚟講係一個好難得嘅經驗啦。咁其實而家 AI 發展越嚟越成熟啦。咁每日翻工開Midjourney做嘢，即刻發現， 又有啲嘢唔同咗嘅，又有新 function 嘅，咁所以其實大家都好擔心就會話，其實 AI 係咪真係一定會取代到人類咧？而喺廣告層面上面 creative 嘅價值會唔會受到影響咧？咁其實喺唔同嘅 talk 入邊，咁大家有人係支持 AI，有人係保持中立嘅。咁其實呢一啲嘅分享令到我對 AI 都有啲反思同埋有啲嘅諗法，咁所以想今日同大家分享一下嘅。係啦，咁咧其實而家 AI 無處不在啦，咁大家其實用嗰啲 search engine 都會有 AI 喺背後幫手啦。咁大家用緊電話入邊嘅 Siri 其實都用 AI 去幫你處理嘅一啲問題。咁譬如 social media 亦都用 AI 去分配一啲啱你睇嘅 feed 去放翻你去睇錄你 IG 睇嘅 Facebook 等等嘅嘢啦。咁而 CS Chatbot 都係即時回應到你嘅問題嘅。咁當然喺廣告上面咧，大家可能做功課啦，或者可能翻工啦，都會用翻 AI 去做一啲數據嘅分析啊，甚至做圖、做片等等啦。咁所以 AI 真係好犀利，冇嘢做唔到嘅。咁所以今日咧，我就嘗試咗俾一個 brief 俾 AI 啦。我就叫佢，喂，我要 target Gen Z，我要買一個 product 係 KFC 雞飯嚟嘅，你幫我諗一堆 idea 出嚟。咁佢的確係可以好全面咁樣揼到一個好完整嘅 communication plan 啊，一啲 online、offline 嘅 idea 都有嘅，甚至乎做一啲 visual，做一啲 video，佢都可以做得到喎。但係其實呢一啲又係咪一啲會令到你好印象深刻嘅故事咧？咁我今日想分享嘅就係啱啱同一個 brief 啦，都係賣雞要 target 後生嘅。咁我想講嘅就係其實用唔同嘅方式去講故事，或者有唔同嘅 insight 咧，係帶到嚟一個好唔同嘅結果。咁呢個就係喺 Meta 入邊睇到一個好深刻同埋一個好好嘅例子，就係嚟自泰國嘅 KFC 廣告啦。咁佢叫做 Uncle KFC Rice Bowl。咁咧其實呢個 ad 咧用翻一個好日常小事嘅切入點嚟嘅啫。咁大家一定會遇過，女朋友今日食咩好啊？咁佢一定會答你冇所謂啦，我乜都食得㗎，冇嘢㗎咁樣。咁但係永遠都唔會得到結果嘅喎。咁就因為咁簡單咁搞笑嘅開頭，就令到大家會好有共鳴，想繼續睇落去咯。另外呢一種咁泰式嘅幽默方式去演繹個故事啦，有啲好鼓勵唔到嘅一啲起承轉合嘅熄燈我都估唔到，係一啲鼓勵唔到嘅起承轉合，令到你想繼續睇落去，亦都會有記憶點嘅。咁其實佢除咗 execution 得意之外咧，佢有好多佢嘅 local insight。因為原來咧泰國人好中意幫襯翻佢哋本土嘅餐廳嘅，佢覺得會好有屋企嘅感覺啦。佢哋可能會叫個老闆、叫個廚師叫做 auntie、叫做 uncle 咁樣。咁咧就 based on 呢一個咁 local insight 咧，佢就將 KFC 上校叫佢做 Uncle KFC，咁佢標咗一個 connection，令到 audience 更加有共鳴咯。咁所以今日想講就兩個 point 係非常之重要嘅喺我哋而家嚟緊嘅發展上面。首先就係 natural stupidity。咁其實 AI 好勁啦，好 smart 啦，佢做極都唔會攰嘅，佢點樣 OT 都唔眼瞓嘅，但係我哋會眼瞓啦。咁但係實我哋係咪真係做每一樣嘢都係要好似 AI 咁完美咧，咁 standardize 咧？其實咁樣做會唔會令到我哋失去咗人類本身嘅呢種少少蠢蠢地無厘頭嘅呢一個特性咧？咁好似頭先呢個 case study 咁樣，有時我哋人類嘅一啲 natural stupidity 呢啲少少嘅異想天開嘅諗法，其實會帶嚟到好多唔同嘅突破，同埋會一啲新嘅 creative 出到嚟咯。而第二個重點咧，其實就係 human is humour。咁以頭先個 case 為例啦，佢展示咗 human truth 嘅重要性。其實我個 presentation 唔係話 AI 唔好，亦都唔係話呢啲 AI 做唔到嘅，只係想講我哋其實唔應該輕易去放棄我哋本身天生有嘅幽默感啦。因為其實幽默唔係淨係一種娛樂，唔係課搞笑就算。其實佢係我哋人與人之間嘅 connection 嘅一個橋梁嚟嘅。有時候我哋自己嘅 inner joke 或者我哋文化上面嘅獨特性咧，令到我哋廣告可以有更加多嘅共鳴咯。咁呢樣嘢我係覺得獨特性呢樣嘢係 AI 暫時冇辦法完全咁樣取代到我哋咯。咁所以咧，其實雖然我哋冇 AI 咁完美啦，但係我哋都應該要保留住我哋嘅經驗啊，我哋嘅無厘頭古靈精怪咧，呢個先至係我哋做 creative 最獨一無二同埋好珍貴嘅地方。咁當然未來 AI 一定會發展得更加成熟、更加犀利㗎啦。咁其實我哋最重要係要攞翻個 balance 啦，咁用科技去 support 你嘅創作，而唔係去取代創意咯。咁所以大家都一齊 brave to be silly，一齊創作更加多得意嘅廣告出嚟啦。Thank you， 多謝 4S 同埋 DDB 俾呢個機會我去呢個 Meta。Thank you,
Chili。我哋都好多謝你啊，翻嚟俾咗呢個咁 interesting 嘅 lecture 俾我哋 AI versus natural stupidity， 讀都唔識讀啊。Very good. Okay, cool. Thank you, DDB Chili. And now let's have Leo Burnett, Kenneth Poon。
Hello。
我哋揾緊你嚇。Let's see where you are.
好。
Yeah.
見唔見到我揮手？
未啊，見到啦，yeah。
Hello，
揾翻你出嚟先。
Yes, okay, go ahead, Masters 225. You have to explain
好
your title, right?
Good. OK. I Kenneth 啦，咁我係Leo Brand 嘅 DCS 啦，咁一啲 sharing 啦，from Mazda 2025之後，即係我諗大家都好清楚，即係 Mazda 係一個 award show 啦，咁亦都見到有好多唔同嘅 seminar，有好多唔同嘅 sharings 啦，咁其實都好多 learnings 嘅，咁其實 especially for 呢1-2年啦，我諗 AI 係一個好 hot topic 啊，每一個 brands 或者係唔一定係 advertising，係每一個 category 都諗緊點樣用 AI，點樣可以令到所有嘢再 efficient 啲，或者係再 effective 啲。咁可能大家做功課又會用 AI，或者係而家好多人寫 email 都係打啲 keywords 咁樣就做 AI 咁樣，用 AI 去做咁樣。就算之前我試過去旅行，去冰島，我都用 AI。去到幫我做個 itinerary， 或者我入個 itinerary 等佢 comments 咁樣嘅，咁所以我諗 AI 其實都真係好常用。咁去到廣告嘅層面又點咧？其實喺咁多個 sharing 或者咁多個 seminar 入邊咧，其實我睇到呢個 slides 或者睇到呢個 sharing， 我係有少少 shock 嘅。咁佢對於 AI 嘅 interpretation 就係一個 no budget 嘅 production 啦，which is 因為每個人都有一個 AI 就可以好似頭先上一位 Chili 咁樣，可以 generate 到一個即係 visual copies 都可以 generate 到，又或者係 even no agency 係需要嘅，又或者係即係 not commissioned 咁樣，咁我就覺得擔心啦。咦 AI 係咪真係會取替到 agency， 又或者真係取替到 creativity 咧？咁但係其實亦都有唔同嘅 sharing 係講緊啊，其實 AI 唔係一個即係 exactly 可以 replace 到即係 creativity 嘅一個 tools 啦，但係其實點樣去用佢可以再 boost up 到我哋呢個行業嘅 efficiency， 又或者係點樣去再幫手去令到個 creative 再 go further 咧？我諗呢個先至係 the keys 去點樣去運用 AI into 我哋嘅 industry。咁咧喺呢個即係 throughout 咁多個 seminar 或者 throughout 咁多個即係 sharing 咧，咁我就 sum up 咗3個 point 啦，睇下點樣 AI 可以幫到我哋呢個成個行業，又或者係唔同嘅 youngster 點樣可以入行嘅時候點樣可以再做得好啲，或者係點樣可以用我哋嘅 tools 去幫助自己不足嘅地方，又或者係將好嘅地方再做好啲咁樣。咁第一個就係 AI executes human steers 啦，咁樣。咁我諗呢個我諗 AI 最叻嘅嘢就係佢可以 connect 到好多唔同嘅 data，which is 係可能你要我做或者要個 team 做，可能要3日、1個禮拜或者2個禮拜先做到。咁但係 AI 就可以好快幫你運用晒所有嘅 data， 或者係幫你 even 去 filter 咗啲唔需要嘅 data。咁呢個一定係快過人類嘅，呢個係冇辦法。但係 only humans 可以做到個 strategy。which is on 個 data 俾到你嘅一個 take away， 或者俾到你一個 implication， 又或者係點樣 guide 你嘅 vision， 又或者你點樣去 turn it into 一個 right direction for the creative 咧？呢個 AI 暫時係未做到。In the future 可能得，但係起碼喺呢個 stage 嘅時候，我哋係睇到 AI 只可以幫你做一個好 big scale 嘅 groundworks， 但係真正 humans 係先至可以 add value on top。咁第二就係 AI drafts。Human breathe in the soul。咁我諗呢個都係頭先我諗 Chili 幫我做咗個好好嘅 demo 啦。AI 真係可以 draft 到好多唔同嘅嘢，無論係你 visual 上面又好 ，copy 上面都好。但係咧，始終都係有啲怪位嘅。咁我之前都試過有啲 job 咧係用 AI 去 gen 一個 visual 啦。咁我曾經試過 gen 一隻蟹咧，有10幾隻腳嘅。又或者係去到一啲 new products 嘅時候咧，其實 AI 係 gen 唔到嘅，因為 AI 冇呢個 knowledge。咁但係就同呢個行業係 contradictory， 因為我哋往往 promote 嘅 products 都係一啲新嘅 products， 或者一啲新嘅 innovation 嘅 services 咁樣。咁但係如果 AI 或者個網絡世界或者個 database 入邊冇啲 knowledge， 佢又點樣去 gen 到一個啱嘅嘢出嚟咧？咁樣。咁所以呢個係 AI 可以 draft， 但係我諗on 嗰個 human 去加落去嘅，無論係 emotion 啦、個 nuance 啦，又或者係點樣 make it authentic 咧，呢個亦都係我哋 humans 點樣去 add on top of 一個 AI usage。咁第三就係 AI suggest 啦、human design 啦。咁呢個我諗係我哋 always 要 make 個 final call 啦。AI 可以 suggest 好多唔同嘅 options，又或者可以一 一個鐘內可以 gen 到幾百個 visual 俾你。咁但係究竟邊一個係啱，邊一個係 suitable for 我哋嘅 audience，又或者係 for the brand？咁我諗呢個係只能夠用我哋嘅 experience，又或者係我哋一直以嚟即係 on 唔同嘅 account，又或者係 on 唔同嘅 media 嘅 format 去 run 嘅 experience 先至可以做到個 final call，which is more applicable。又或者係當我哋做 revision 嘅時候 ，AI 係未必識得去 learn 或者去 take 你嘅 comments，因為 comments can be very subjective，and 亦都有啲嘢都可能係 may not exist in the world 啦，因為 especially 做 AI 就係想做廣告就做新嘢啦，係咪？咁 AI 係 based on existing 嘅 data 去 regenerate 啦。咁所以我覺得呢個都係3個好大嘅 rules， 點樣係可以利用 AI 去幫助到你嘅 creativities 啦，又或者你嘅 words 點樣可以去做得 efficient 啲，又或者係可以 be more data support， 但係你嗰件事最尾係 add 翻一個 humanity 落去嘅。咁最後我想 share 個 cases 啦 ，which is 都係喺個
講得好清楚啦。頭先我睇翻呢啲字啫嘛，係啦。Rule number 1, okay. Rule number 2,
and rule number
yes, AI
three
drop. Rule number 3, that's good. Okay, now you go to your case, right?
冇錯，好，咁我而家播播先。
Okay.
Baseball is back. You just scored tickets to the game. But your view looks like this. Or this. Or even this. We know it takes a special kind of fan to sit in a seat like this. So we're gonna reward you. At the game, you can use our chill-powered AI tool to analyze your obstructed view in exchange for a Coors Light. The more obstructed your view, the more brew you get. Cheers to the new best seat in the house.
好，我諗呢個 cases 都幾 self-explanatory 啦。咁其實 Cooler Lights 咧係我每一年都會特別去 spot on 睇佢嘅 campaign 嘅一個 account 嚟嘅，因為佢好幾年都入咗 Cannes， 亦都攞到 Gold 或者係 Grand Prix 嘅一啲 awards， 因為佢每年都好 smart 咁樣去用一啲好 ad hoc 或者係一啲 incidents， 又或者係一啲 problem 去到做一個 campaigns 嘅。咁今年佢哋就係玩咗唔同嘅 stadium 入邊有一啲儀器啦，又或者係一啲 speakers 啦，係會阻咗你個 feel。咁呢啲就係頭先我講嘅 AI 係唔會知嘅。AI 係唔會知你有呢啲問題，又或者 AI 其實係唔會知道呢個問題係你可以 turn into 一個 opportunities， 但係 AI 就可以 as 一個 creative ideas 嘅 tools， 點樣去將你個視線 block 咗 by 幾多 percent， 所以個 brand 去 offer 翻一個幾多 percent 嘅即係 discount 去貨你喺現場睇波嘅時候可以飲啤酒咁樣。咁所以呢個我覺得係一個 very good case 去 show 翻其實而家我哋嘅 creative industry。唔係講緊話因為有 AI 所以就 no agency、no production needed 或者係 no commission， 而係其實 AI 係可以 boost up 到成個 creativities 啦，亦都可以做到好多 real time 或者係做到好多好 ad hoc 好現場嘅一啲creative solutions 俾唔同嘅 audience。咁所以stay tuned 啦，我覺得我覺得 AI 係會越嚟越成熟嘅，咁亦都係會越嚟越做得更好或者冇更多瑕疵咁樣，咁但係我諗make good use of it， 咁我哋其實做 creative 啦，又或者我哋做 campaign 嘅時候咧，我哋都可以好好運用呢個 tools， 咁我覺得就會有更多，我會覺得個 meaningful 嘅 campaign 咧就會 coming up 啦。Thank you。
好啊 ，thank you Kenneth, thank you, very insightful, yeah. Okay, and now we come to, I think it's also a different topic here. I'll introduce this guy, okay? Jason Joseph, are you here? From Ogilvy.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi.
Let's find you, okay?
Cool.
And then I even need you to speak up your title.
Yes.
I don't know how to pronounce the title of your presentation.
All will be explained.
Yes.
Shall I share my screen? Thank you so much. Thank you. So, hello everyone. It's so cool to see you all again and to be hanging out with you. It actually feels like, rather than listening to everybody, it feels like I'm back in Korea. So it's quite interesting and a bit surreal. It's interesting when I was working on this presentation, it began to spark a lot of memories of this sort of surprising journey to Mad Stars, which kind of started in a very typical fashion. If you go to the next slide, you'll see kind of like, this was we won Bright Summer Morning back in June. I think it was not even 10 a.m. and I was already sort of replying to emails and hammering out new copy based on old feedback for a confused client. And sort of like, you know, if you told me that, I tried to tell myself, you know, it was just another typical Monday, you know, everything will be fine. But, you know, my brain was already beginning to kind of get fried and it kind of wanted to renegotiate the kind of terms of our conditions. And then my CCO kind of came along, kind of like this hero, and he said, oh, you know, you're going to Korea for the Mad Stars in 2025. And that's when I said, you know, Ya Kaja, which is the title of this presentation, which actually means sort of let's go in Korean. So, you know, cut to a few months later, and I was in Busan with my wife. So we arrived in Hyundai a day before things kicked off. So we spent some time getting to know the city, sort of soaking up all the sights and literally eating all the fried chicken that we could find. Actually, go down to slide 8.
Slide 8.
Yeah, we got slide 8. I've already gone ahead. Yeah. Yes, a few more slides. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Here we are. Here we go. Yeah. So then, so after my wife and I sort of went exploring around the city, sort of eating everything that we can find. The next day, obviously, the main event kicked off, which was essentially just 3 days of all this incredible work, meeting all these really interesting, brilliant people. But most memorably for me was just kind of being a part and being able to experience a ton of all these inspiring keynotes. And as some people have already mentioned, the big theme this year was AI. I think that's the next slide. There was a lot of sort of just these concerns going around and understandable fears and people worrying about AI and what's going to do for our industry in the future. But the outlook there was really sort of positive. It was all about thinking or reframing what AI can give us and not just what it will take away. Because, you know, no matter what, regardless of any sort of raw data-driven algorithm sort of creativity, will always need this sort of human touch. I think that's the next slide. You could see kind of, this is kind of what hit me quite a lot, and it really sort of drove home when I was listening to a talk by Jamie Caldwell, who is the global ECD from Edelman. And he shared that a big part of his team success was not really thinking about what's the big idea, you know, which is sort of our normal kind of way of thinking when we get a brief. He was kind of talking about flipping things around. And you go to the next slide. He was trying to frame things as we should think about what's the big problem. You know, what is this thing that we're trying to solve? What is it that the brand or this app or this tool, what is it that it can do that's different from anybody else? What's the problem that it's solving that can make my life or the consumer's life a lot better? And after that, that really, really stuck with me. And it essentially got me thinking about how, when I'm putting this sort of whole thing together for this presentation, what's the big problem I'll be solving? And I was thinking, well, we're going to go through a lot of presentations and people are going to be hungry, wanting to get home. So I was trying to think of a way that could spice things up and just maybe keep people a little bit more awake as I go on. So in the next slide, you'll see I kind of put together a very short highlight reel video of my time at MadStars.
Okay, that's cool, Jason. Unfortunately, the sound wasn't that good, okay? But we'll see later whether we could fix it or not. Yeah, okay? But tell me, how to pronounce your title of your presentation?
Kaja.
Yagaja or what? Yeah, pronounce it for us, please. Say it loud.
Yagaja.
Yagaja, okay. Any meaning for that, Yagaja?
It means let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Yagata. Okay, thank you, Jason. Thank you. I'm glad that you enjoyed the experience at Busan, huh?
Very much.
Okay, thank you. The next lady, I'm going to invite. I believe she's an I person as well, because the subject is called "Turn I into Yi." Is that you, Heyman？Hello，
大家睇唔睇到個 screen 啊？
睇到，有隻蛋啊，有隻 omelette 啊，又係嚇 Heyman Show Omelette Digital，yeah。
係啦 ，Hello， 大家好啦，咁我係 Heyman 啦 ，from Omelette Digital 嘅，咁就多謝 4A 嘅邀請啦。咁頭先咧亦都聽到大家咧好多有關於釜山嘅一啲 sharing 啊，所見所聞啦。咁而我亦都嚟緊就會簡單同大家去share 下 MedStar 呢3日裏面咧，咁我聽到好多唔同 speaker 佢哋嘅分享之後嘅一啲得着啦。咁佢哋有啲嘅 speech 咧都係好 inspiring 咁樣，咁都想同大家去分享嘅。係啦。咁首先咧，大家咧如果睇開綜藝啦，或者如果留意開咧韓國嘅文化嘅話咧，其實都會知道咧韓國人係好重 MBTI 咁樣啦。咁頭先嘅 sharing 咧，亦都已經知道咗啦。其實大家都好多人咧，其實出發去嘅人咧，原來都有好多人咧，同我一樣咧，都係 I 人咁樣嘅，係啦。咁因為我都係 definitely 我就係一個 I 啦，比較內向少少嘅人啦，比較慢熱啲咁樣啦。咁至於我哋去完 MedStar 之後，其實成個 journey 咧，我得出嚟嘅一個少少嘅 insight 咧，就係我覺得咧，其實呢一個 journey 咧，正正咧就係可以將你 turn I to E 咁樣啦，咁就可以將你去可以 explore 去認識多啲世界各地我哋嘅同行啊，一啲唔同嘅人咁樣啦。咁而且亦都唔係淨係講話 MBTI，即係由 introvert 然之後去轉變，然之後成為 extrovert 咁樣啦。咁然之後我哋如果回歸到 AI 嘅時候咧，咁因為今次 MedStar 個 film 都係有關於 AI 啦。咁其實點樣我哋由我哋最初可能對 AI 嘅印象係有一啲嘅好奇心，又有啲驚嘅時候，但係點樣可以 keep 住去 experiment 啦？咁然之後慢慢點樣去將 AI 可以發展到一個 equilibrium 咁樣嘅一個黃金平衡咧咁樣。咁所以嚟緊我會跟住落嚟咧都會去再 explore 係講多少少咁樣嘅，係啦。咁首先講到 AI 嘅時候啦，咁唔知大家第一時間會諗起啲咩啦？咁其實早期有好多嘅電影啦，即係由 Terminator 啊、Matrix 啊，咁由嗰陣時可能大家對 AI 嘅印象都係一啲冇情感啊，跟住之後可能甚至乎有啲時候佢哋會失控啊，想支配人類啊，要殺咗人類啊咁樣。咁漸漸到 movies 嘅 AI 啦，咁同埋就係 WALL-E 啊咁樣。咁我哋見到佢咧，慢慢都係好有好奇心啊，佢哋好渴望愛啊咁樣。咁漸漸發展到咧到 Her 咁樣啦，咁以及咧就係呢幾年可能甚至乎有一啲嘅 AI idols 啊，即係例如 Yuri 啊，跟住 Kion 啊咁樣啦。咁其實人咧對於 AI 嘅印象咧，其實好多時都係伴隨住故事咧，去不斷咁樣 develop 啦，不斷去慢慢演變。咁就由開頭可能比較恐懼啲啊，好奇啲多啲啊，咁到慢慢咧，其實近年嘅電影咧都會睇得出咧，人其實係想同 AI 建立一啲關係啦，有多啲嘅 collection 啊。咁我身邊咧其實都有好多嘅同事，佢哋都真係會靠 AI 咧，係得到好多嘅情緒價值啊。佢哋會去睇嗰啲梅花易數啊，睇運程啊。咁甚至係啦，咁喺工作上固然都有好多嘅幫助啊，可以令到大家更加 efficient 啊咁樣。咁而就好似其實係 social media。過往幾年一路到而家嘅發展咁樣啦，咁其實 AI 都係處於一個就係 transition 嘅一個 era 咁樣啦。咁 AI 都發展得好快咁樣，亦都會影響住咧。其實我哋就係平日我哋嘅工作啊，同人嘅溝通模式咧，亦都會不斷去改變啦，去訂立咗一啲新嘅一啲 new rules 出嚟咁樣嘅。咁重點咧，其實就係在於我哋唔好去驚啦，我哋要去慢慢去學習呢啲唔同嘅 rules 咁樣。咁就好似咧，就係我哋以前係不嬲咧，都係可能 search 一啲嘅資料啊，我哋不斷去揾一啲資料咁樣啦。咁我哋近年其實開始用咗 AI 之後咧，我哋要多咗咧去發問啦，多咗去 ask 一啲嘅問題。咁當我哋有本住呢個好奇心啊，有多啲批判思想嘅時候，然之後我哋去問得好嘅時候咧，咁我哋得出嚟咧就會得到一啲可能我哋想要嘅嘢咁樣咯。咁至於 AI 到底係一個點樣嘅角色咧？咁會唔會好似啱啱頭先聽大家講啊？到底會唔會搶我哋嘅飯碗啊？取締我哋啊？甚至乎最近話連啲圍棋嘅選手都輸咗俾 AI 喎咁樣。咁亦都咧有一啲 speaker 咧，佢哋有一啲有趣嘅研究咧，就係話原來用 AI 咧去幫手去構思啦，寫一啲嘅故事咧，其實有陣時咧係仲 original 過我哋人手就咁去寫嘅咁樣。咁但係所以我哋有呢啲嘅 uncertainty 啦，我哋有陣時會有啲驚呢啲變化係正常啦。咁然之後我哋覺得咧，其實 AI 咧應該係 as a partner 咁樣，咁就你可以同 AI 咧去拍住上啦。咁 as a choice 咁樣去 enhance 我哋嘅human ingenuity 啦，跟住之後我哋唔好去不斷去幫我哋去講故事啦，去 expand 我哋嘅 imagination 咁樣咯。咁反而咧其實就唔會去 erase 我哋嘅 humanity 嘅，係啦。 咁所以咧就係呢度咧就係一個其實頭先都大家有略略提過嘅，呢個咧其實係一個 CJ 嘅一個Metro Media 嘅一個 CEO，佢 share 咗一個咧好有趣嘅 table 咁樣啦。咁佢咧就係 comparisons 咗 high to low 嘅 creativity 啦，同埋 AI 嘅capability 咁樣。咁然之後咧，我哋見到咧，其實我哋最想去真係最 ideally 可以追到嘅一個equalism，咁其實固之然咧就係可以又有高嘅 creativity 啦，跟住之後我哋亦都好善用我哋嘅 AI 咁樣啦。咁將兩者嘅優勢咧，如果 combine 好，即係有人嘅判斷啊，有情感去講故事啊，咁再加埋咧 AI 嘅速度啊咁樣咧，咁其實以人去作為一個主權去主導呢件事嘅時候咧，咁其實最終咧其實係可以帶出一個更加好嘅一個 result 咯。咁但係就需要大家一齊去 keep 住去試驗啊，不斷去試咁樣咯。咁就千祈咧唔好做到其餘嗰幾樣，其餘嗰幾樣可能就係可能比較 inefficient 啦，即係可能係 dinosaur 咁樣啦，跟住亦都可能係冇靈魂嘅一個 worker，佢就係不斷去接收 AI 嘅資料，然之後不斷去做嘅，或者係一啲 lonely 嘅一個 craftsman 咁樣。咁呢啲其實都唔係一個最 ideal 啊、最理想嘅一個狀態啦。係啦。咁所以以後落嚟都有3個嘅 cases， 我覺得係幾好嘅一個 share 俾大家咁樣。咁佢哋都係好聰明咁樣去用咗 AI 啦。咁頭先其實 Caleb 就 share 咗有關於Cruise Light 呢個cases 咁樣啦。咁其實佢就係好成功咁樣可以透過一啲好creativity 啊，好 grab 到大家 attention 嘅一啲 execution， 然之後就去善用咗 AI 啦。咁另外亦都有一啲其實係真係透過科技去為我哋帶嚟咗好多嘅方便啊，佢真係實際幫到人咁樣。咁就好似 Import 呢個啦，即係呢個 Samsung 嘅呢個Galaxy Watch 咁樣。咁佢就透過咧佢嘅一啲 haptic 一個震動咁樣，咁就可以去幫助一啲言語治療咁樣。咁其實都係一啲真係實際幫到人嘅一個 case 咯。咁甚至乎 Lab of Legends 咁樣，咁就係佢哋 keep 住去 experimental，咁都有趣。佢就係用呢個 virtual 再versus 呢個 real 嘅一個 races 咁樣啦。咁其實都係 keep 住大家其實都係唔同嘅地方啊，唔同嘅 agency， 其實大家都喺度試驗緊，然之後去點樣去不斷 explore 啊，不斷去試用。睇下點樣用 AI 去幫我哋去講故事咁樣，咁所以最終就係希望大家都一齊去試驗多少少啦。咁尤其我哋作為一個 creatives 嘅時候啦，咁其實我哋講故事係我哋嘅一個係啦，已經係基本係一個本能咁樣啦。咁我哋其實透過 AI 嘅幫手咧，其實可以去再講得多啲嘅故事，去講得更加嘅深入咯。咁而我哋不可或缺嘅一樣嘢，亦都係就係一個 collections 咁樣啦。因為我哋都要將我哋嘅故事去不斷去話俾我哋嘅 audience 知啊，話俾世界知啊。咁就正就係好多謝 Master 啦，因為佢就可以有一個機會去等我哋去同世界各地唔同嘅人去建立到呢個嘅 collection 啦。咁所以大家都可以有機會嘅話，就把握呢個機會去 turn I into E 咁樣咯。係啦。咁所以呢個就係我今日嘅一個 sharing。
Thank you very much, Heyman. Yeah, a very good lecture, actually. So many key points, huh? Thank you. Okay, cool. Right now, actually, we are going to move to a bigger presentation, but I do like to check with Chill. Chill team, are you ready?
Hi.
Is the setup okay?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yes. Okay. Let me explain why we have such a huge team of Chill, because seriously speaking, they are they are the biggest winner at 2024 Campaign Awards. Yeah, they won in a lot of categories, so that's why they are going to Masters in a big team. Okay. Right now we gather the whole team sitting in the conference room, and then we see what they bring back to us. And by the way, Chill is also a very important partner at Masters, right? I'll leave this up to you guys. Okay, the Chill team, please go ahead.
可以啊，睇唔睇到我哋個 PowerPoint 啊？而家
睇到嘅，好
啊。before 我係阿聰啦，係 Chill 香港嘅 General Manager 啦。咁 before 我同事阿 Tony 去 share 呢3日嘅 experience， 咁我哋都好多謝即係 4A 啦同 Master 啦。咁 total 我哋有7位同事一齊去咗呢個 Master 嘅spend 咗3日嘅時間啦。咁 Chill 係幾得意嘅一間公司，因為其實我哋係韓國 base 嘅公司。 咁所以我哋某程度上都去咗一個我哋嘅老家啦，見我哋嘅一啲韓國嘅同事啦。雖然我哋冇一個人係識講韓文嘅，咁但係我哋就扮識韓文咁樣啦。咁我諗 before Tony 去 share 個 ideas 或者我哋嘅一啲key takeaways，我分享下我個人嘅一個 takeaways 啦。咁因為 as 一個 general manager 喺度嘅時候，咁其實呢個 topics about AI 都係一個幾重要嘅 topics for 一間 agency 去點樣去諗，去點樣 transform。咁究竟即係 all the time 我哋都係 struggle 緊，究竟我哋應該係 invest 喺人，好似阿 Vicky 咁樣啦，定係 invest 喺 AI 一啲 tool 上邊啦，定係 invest 喺 Vicky 嗰度等佢可以 invest 喺 AI 嗰度咧咁樣。咁我諗 after 呢3日之後，咁我哋同好多唔同嘅同行啊，跟住亦都聽到好多唔同 from client side、from agency side 或者 from 唔同 tech 嘅一啲vendors 嘅一啲嘅睇法之後，咁其實我哋都 internal 都係一路喺度研究緊點樣可以再係 why not both 嘅一個 approach 咯。咁所以變咗嚟緊，我哋都as 一間 creative agency 啦。咁其實我哋好似我哋嘅 global CEO 阿 John Kim 咁講啦，我哋係有個 ambition，所以既可以 high creativity， 亦都可以有個 high 嘅 AI capability。咁呢個都係我哋嘅一個 end goal 嚟嘅。咁我唔講太多啦，咁我就交俾阿 Tony 去講成個3日入邊我哋經歷過啲咩嘢啦。
Okay, thank you. Okay, hi everybody. Okay,
Yes,
so
Tony, please.
okay, thank you. Hi, Ernie. Yes, so when we came up with a topic for what we're going to talk about today, we thought about what everybody else would talk about, and we thought it was obvious everyone's going to talk about AI. So we thought in the time when AI is reshaping our industry, we wanted to take a different approach by focusing on the human element that drives creativity and innovation. So as Chung just said, there's 7 of us, and each one of us are individuals. We all came together as one team, and so we're all fresh to each other as well. So as a diverse group of individuals, we came together with a shared vision to fully commit to our craft and to each other. We call it AI, All In. All In represents our dedication to pushing boundaries, embracing challenges, and supporting one another every step of the way. We don't do things half-heartedly. Everything we do together, whether it's eating, playing, or enjoying Mad Stars, we go all in. So for Mad Stars, it's all started on Wednesday the 27th, all the way to Friday the 29th of August. And this is where, when we came together, our strong bond started here. As we strolled along the beautiful Hyundai beach from our hotel to the venue, we were all struck by the magnificence.
Sorry, 係咪冇轉到 slide 啊？
係啊 excuse me, Tony. Yeah, I think we're still staying at the title slide.
Okay, now.
That's slide
now,
2,
okay.
right?
Now is it okay?
Okay, that's
it might
good.
be a slight
That's
delay.
good.
It's okay. Can we all see it now?
Yes, please.
我
Keep
呢邊
going.
播緊嘅。
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So yeah. So we were all struck by the magnificent size of Signal Busan, and upon entering, we registered, and we each received our own name badge and gift bag with a nice present inside. So thank you very much, Mad Stars. And we truly felt like VIPs when we're throughout the whole festival. And while we were at the Mad Stars, we met up with the rest of Hong Kong 4As as well, and we just thought, what a lovely bunch of people. First things first, we'll see on the next picture. We can see lots of photos of us when we first entered Mad Stars.
我呢邊轉咗啦。
Okay, we can see pictures of us at Mad Stars. We can all see the canvas. We're all standing in front of it to prove we were there. And so we, while we were at Mad Stars, we were lucky enough to listen to some keynote speakers as well, which was probably one of the highlights for everybody. And because we're all different individuals, we all wanted to go to listen to different keynote speakers. We didn't go to the same ones together. We went our separate ways. But there was one we definitely had to listen to, which was Jong Yun Kim, our CEO. So obviously we all went up for that one. And to tell us a bit more about this keynote speaker, I'll pass you on to Jeff.
Hello， 你好。其實喺呢個 conference 入邊其實最深刻其實都係即係因為全部都講緊 AI。咁我哋最深刻其實係阿 John Kim 啦，咁其實佢係 Chill 嗰個 CEO 啦。咁其實佢講嗰樣嘢就係其實 AI 同 human 嘅 creativity 咧，佢係應該點樣咧？咁其實佢好似個天平咁樣，其實佢唔係平等嘅，其實個斜少少嘅。咁點解會咁講咧？就係其實你 其實佢會有分4類唔同嘅類人啦。咁其實你想睇下想做邊個角色啦。咁其實如果你好似想係一個風采形式嘅，咁其實你永遠都係一個 low 嘅 AI capability 啦，同埋 low 嘅 creativity。咁點樣可以做到一個 high 嘅 creativity 同埋 high 嘅 AI capability 咧？就係你點樣利用 AI。咁其實佢 AI 就好似個 tool 咁樣。咁大家做 art-based 或者 creative 嘅話，其實都知道其實 Adobe 咁嘅就有 Photoshop A，有 Illustrator 啊，有唔同嘅 software 啦。咁但係呢啲 software 點樣應用，其實就大家點樣去處理或者點樣去執行呢件事啦。咁所以其實頭先 Kenny 都有講過啦，就係佢有3個 rules 啦。咁其實好睇我哋 human 點樣操作啦，點樣領悟啦，同埋點樣去選擇。咁等同於我哋做我哋試過 Midjourney 嘅時候，或者 gen 一啲嘢嘅時候，其實佢唔會得一樣嘢俾我哋，其實佢永遠都有唔同嘅選擇俾我哋。咁所以其實佢哋永遠都係要俾我哋去選擇。咁靠點樣我哋去選擇唔同，去 get 到唔同嘅嘢出嚟咧？咁就靠我哋唔同嘅經驗同埋我哋嘅成長嘅一啲經歷啦。咁所以我覺得就係喺嚟緊嘅階段啦，咁其實我哋要 keep 住一個好奇心啦，同埋 keep 住一個認真嘅態度去處理或者去 get 呢樣即係 AI gen 到俾我哋嘅嘢啦。
Okay, so after listening to keynote speakers, we had to walk through the venue, and we saw lots of things on display. We saw insightful exhibitions. A core part of the festival featured exhibitions showcasing the best in marketing, advertising, and digital content from all around the world. We also saw some winning works as well. The exhibition provided attendees with the opportunity to view the award-winning creative solutions, offering a glimpse into the industry's most innovative work. And from there, the next day, we went to the opening ceremony. So we had to go to a grand ballroom, which was a stunning room. The event kicked off with an exquisite dining experience featuring shrimp tartare with mango sauce, refreshing carrot and ginger soup. We had a second beef tenderloin as well. Even thinking about it now, my mouth is watering. So we savoured every bite of everything, including the dessert, which was chocolate and passion fruit cremeux. And we all washed it down with delightful red wine. Also sharing on our table was our new friends from Hong Kong 4As, which made the evening even more special, culminating in a joyful group photo on the stage that captured the spirit of camaraderie and celebration. The evening continued with a vibrant networking session where laughter and connections flowed as freely as the food and drinks, further enriching our experience together. On the final day, which was the Mad Stars Award show, which was this was the main day I was waiting for. This was the highlight of the festival. It brought everyone together for an unforgettable evening of recognition and celebration. Chell Hong Kong proudly took to the stage and accepted 1 gold and 7 bronze awards. Additionally, 2 of our team members, which you saw earlier on, Aloy and Riti, they were honored with a silver award as new stars, marking a significant achievement in their early careers. The night culminated in Chell Worldwide being named Network of the Year, so it was a fantastic opportunity for us to join them on the stage with my new company and the rest of them. So if you see on the next photos, you see we had a chance to meet lots and lots of different people, got together, have drinks together, eat together, play together, and yeah, basically get drunk together as well. Okay, so after a few days, we had time to reflect on the award show, and after talking to each other, we discovered we all had our own favourites. After an inspiring award show, each of us found our own favourite piece that truly resonated. The creativity and innovation on display sparked discussions and reflections, make it clear just how impactful these works are within our industry. We left the event not only inspired, but also eager to explore how we can incorporate these ideas into our own projects. So if we look on the next page now, you can see this is Toxic Back 5. This is one of the 2 things we entered into Mad Stars. The next one is Safe Sketch. This is the second one we entered as well. And for Safe Sketch, this is one we captured gold for. And now I'm going to talk about my favorite piece. My favorite piece of the day was this Kit Kat bar. Those of you who showed up will have seen this one. And for me, this was my favorite because it's so simple and it just talks to everybody worldwide. Doesn't matter where you put it, everyone will understand it straight away. And it's one of those ideas where you look at it and you think, damn, why didn't I think of that? It's so simple. And next, I'll pass you on to Anthony and Jane, who will tell you their favourites as well.
好，咁我咧就比較中意呢個就係 Samsung 歐洲嗰邊嘅 Impulse 啦。咁其實佢咧係一個專為呢個語言障礙嘅患者去做嘅一個嘅產品咁樣咧，佢係混合咗呢個 AI 嘅技術咧，去提供一啲震動喺個用家嘅手嗰度方面啦。咁咧令到佢哋咧可以有一個震動同佢個大腦嘅語言節奏去同步，令到佢哋講嘢嘅時候咧就可以大膽講出嚟，同埋提供一個流暢度啦。咁其實咧呢一個 campaign 咧係可以幫到好多依家一啲患有語言障礙嘅患者啦，同埋令到更加多人去認識到呢一個 Samsung 嘅產品咁樣嘅。咁我交俾人真咧。
好咁大家都知道今年 MadStar 嘅主題係 AI 啦，頭先講咗咁多。咁頭先咁多位朋友都講出個重點啦 ，AI 係有好多好處嘅，但係最終咧佢係只係人類嘅工具，係唔可以 replace 我哋人類。而嚟緊我而家眼前大家見到呢個 case 咧，就係我想 share 俾大家睇嘅，而對我嚟講係最深刻嘅，亦都跟咗好多獎啦。而佢咧亦都係冇用到 AI。冇 replace 到我哋人類嘅，反而用咗一個最簡單直接嘅方法，用最少嘅資源去解決咗最大嘅問題，解決埋人類最真實嘅 needs。咁係做啲咩咧？大家都即係如果大家要做 body check 嘅話，大家都會去揾醫生㗎啦。但係大家有冇諗過咧？其實可以打開自己嘅衣櫃，揾出裡面嘅一件間條衫，都可以幫到大家做一個 health check 嘅。因為大家都知道啦，做一次 body check 其實成本都唔平咁啊，都要翻咁上下錢。咁但係未必人人都可以有足夠嘅經濟能力去做到呢個 body check。而喺菲律賓咧，而家眼前呢個 campaign 咧就係話俾大家聽，其實用一件大家日常嘅衫，一件普通不過嘅一件間條衫，都可以將佢變成一個 medical 嘅工具，可以方便到每一個人隨時隨地都可以自己可以去檢測下自己個脊柱有冇一個問題嘅。方法就好簡單啦，你見到佢着住一件好簡單不過嘅一件間條 T 着咗上身，就睇翻下佢件 T 咧嗰個間條有個變形嘅程度，去判斷翻佢個脊柱有冇問題啦。成個過程就類似一個我哋即係 COVID 一個好簡單快檢啊篩查嘅方法咁，好快而且準確咁去 check 到大家有冇個脊柱側彎嘅問題。咁呢個咁 smart 嘅方法就係正正冇用到我哋頭先所講嘅 AI，就係用翻我哋自己人類嘅智慧去解決翻我哋呢啲咁嚴重可以影響到大家日常生活嘅一啲問題，以一個低門檻、低成本嘅方法去做咗呢個 campaign 出嚟，令到大家可以關注到大家脊柱嘅問題，亦都可以即刻去 take 翻個 action 嘅。咁呢個咁 simple but powerful 嘅 idea 就係最 touch 到我。
Okay, so we still had time, before and after the awards, we still had time to explore Busan, and we didn't know how. As someone said earlier on, either New Star or Young Star, earlier on said, as soon as they landed in Busan, we saw lots of adverts for MadStars, and this you can see this was one of them as well. Look at the style. We saw this and then immediately I was wowed by how big MadStars actually is. I didn't know it was that big. Look at the ad that's taken the whole building there. And then to continue with our all-in theme, even when we went out to eat, we went all in. It was a great time to share stories, to create lasting memories, and to pick our foods together as a team. And also, when we're not eating, we would spend time to play. When we go all in, there's things we can do 24 hours in Busan, like finding 24-hour photo booths, live photo booths. We can still drink and eat 24 hours, all around the clock. We also found a table tennis place as well. And as soon as we got tired, we actually used the scooters, which was very handy to get back to the hotel. Yeah, so after doing all that, we had time to come back to Hong Kong and reflect to each other. So as we reflect on our experiences, it's clear that going all in as a team is what truly sets us apart. While AI can enhance our work, it could never replicate the unique chemistry, creativity, and fun we share together. The connections we forge, the laughter we exchange, and the moments we create together are irreplaceable. Our teamwork and dedication fuel our success, proving that the human element is what truly drives innovation. Together, we are more than just a team, we are a family, and that's something no AI can ever replace. So thank you, MadStars and Hong Kong 4-H.
Well, thank you. Thank you, the Chill team. I do have a couple things to add on, okay? Just now, I think Chong or Tony mentioned, altogether we have 7 people going to Masters, 7 chill people, okay?
Yeah.
Actually, 5 of them are from the awards, and then 2 of them are the young team. Actually, it's Louis and Ricky. We matched just
from
now.
New Star,
Yeah, okay. And then, but we also wanted to congratulate Chill. They won couple awards on stage, and then so we got to congratulate them and thank you for making Hong Kong proud. Okay, thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
Can I ask if阿 Louis 同 Ricky 喺唔喺呢度啊？喺唔喺你哋呢度㗎
Ricky 喺度，
喺
Shall we go
？Okay，
grab
得，我哋陣間
some
catch up with them. Okay, so once again, thank you, Chill, for such a detailed all-in diary. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for having us.
Okay, and now we move on. Actually, it's another team, a much smaller team, but it's they are the winners of our integrated category. When at Campfire Awards, when we say integrated category, that means we're looking at an integrated campaign. So it involves creative agency and media agency. So right now we have the 2 representing the team. Okay, so they are Johnny Chen and Christine Chong.
Hello，大家聽唔聽到啊
？Hello， 我哋揾緊你啫嚇。
Hello， 聽唔聽到啊？
有冇開到？係啦，見到啦 ，Johnny。Hello。 Christine。
係見唔見到我哋嘅 back 啊？
見到 ，Will AIQ creativity 呀。OK， 見埋你個樣添啊。OK， 好 ，Go ahead please，yes。
好，咁今次多謝 Hong Kong Voice 啦，俾個機會我哋咁樣去釜山 Master 呢一個 award show 啦。咁都自我介紹一下先。咁我係嚟自 Saatchi & Saatchi 嘅 Creative Kristen 啦。咁另外我今日都會同埋 PhD 嘅 Johnny 咧一齊 host 呢一個 presentation 嘅。咁而我哋揀咗嘅題目咧，咁就係 AI 會唔會 kill 咗我哋嘅 creativity 啦？係下一個 slide。係，咁我都想講翻少少即係近年嘅現象啦。咁其實而家 AI 好明顯已經係大家嘅一個生活日常啦。即係可能我翻工嘅時候，可能我又會問下 AI 今日個天氣係點，咁或者可能係啱啱可能 Kenneth 都有講到話，可能做功課咁，其實都會問 AI。咁大部分嘅聲音而家似乎都係講緊 AI 點樣去幫助到我哋嘅生活啊，或者我哋嘅工作啊，尤其是作為 creative 啦，即係可能有個 Midjourney 其實已經就好快可以幫手去create 到啲圖啊、visual 啊咁樣。咁但係其實同時間其實大家都會開始有啲人會擔心，咁究竟 AI 會唔會終有一日可以取代到人類嘅 creativity 咧？咁佢係究竟係一個 fundamentally 嘅 change 啊，定係佢係會直情 kill 咗 human creativity 咧？係咁適逢咁今年嘅Master 嘅主題咧，咁就係 AI advertising 啦。咁不論係喺一啲參賽嘅作品啊，一啲 conference 上面，咁其實好多都有講到AI， 亦都用好多唔同嘅角度去解釋翻，咁究竟 AI 對我哋嚟講係一件咩事，或者我哋可以點樣去用 AI 去 support 到我哋，不論喺個 technical wise 或者喺個 ideation 上面。咁我同 Johnny 都想share 一下，咁由今年 Master 2025入面啟發到嘅嘢，同埋我哋點樣去睇AI 呢一個發展啦。咁我想 share 一下而家呢個 slide 入面嘅兩個 case 啦。咁呢兩個 case 其實都係喺 Master 入面有得獎嘅作品嚟嘅。咁第一個咧，咁其實就係由 Leo Burnett Hong Kong 幫國泰 Cathay 咧做嘅一個 campaign， 就係 Rewriting History 啦。咁佢就用咗 AI 去修復翻，同埋去再重新建立翻一啲 Paralympic 殘奧嘅運動員嘅一啲片段啦。咁然後再利用翻 Cathay 國泰自己本身有嘅 media channel， 咁樣去 launch 一條片去 remind 翻香港人。咁其實除咗香港係有 Olympic 嘅運動員之外，咁其實都仲有一班小眾，仲有一班 Paralympic 嘅運動員咧，咁默默咁樣去為香港去發光發亮啦。 咁而另一個咧就係喺哈薩克嘅一個 campaign，咁就係 GeForce Grey Bond Cities 做嘅一個 Satellite Light 嘅一個 campaign 啦。咁佢亦都係利用咗 AI 咁樣去 real time，可能係收集同埋 verify 一啲唔同家庭暴力嘅一啲 case。咁然之後再 through 翻當地嘅一啲 media，可能係啲 digital 嘅 OH 啦，或者其實係一個 neon light 嘅一個燈牌。去話俾人聽啊，當佢個 AI 接收到呢一啲家庭暴力嘅 case，去 verify 咗之後 through AI，咁佢就會可能係 from 呢一啲 billboard 咁樣去斬下，去俾當地人有一個咁樣嘅 signal，俾大家知道哦，原來又有一單家庭暴力嘅 case 就喺我哋個城市入面發生咗啦。咁而以上呢兩個 case 咧，咁當然大家可以之後再上網 search 翻啦。咁但係我點解會想 share？就係因為其實我哋可以睇到，除咗 AI 點樣去 support 到嗰個 idea 之外，更加重要嘅係其實我哋究竟係想講一個咩 story，我哋想 deliver 一個乜嘢嘅 message， 然之後再利用 AI technology 去做個 support。而我哋都覺得其實呢兩個 case 咧係可以睇到人類可以點樣用到 AI 幫佢哋將個 story 係講得更加之圓滿嘅。係，好，下一個 slide。咁亦都呢一個係 from MedStar 入面一個 conference 入面，我哋 capture 翻嘅一段句子啦，咁其實都幾 impress 嘅。咁佢都有講到就係話 AI 除咗而家可以 generate 一啲 copy，亦都可以 produce 到一啲圖片，或者甚至乎係可以 design 到成個 campaign。但係其實最重要嘅一樣嘢，其實 AI 而家都未取代到人，就係 explain why a message truly persuades， 點樣令人去產生共鳴。其實而家嘅 AI to 我哋嚟講，我哋最少我哋嘅睇法，暫時其實都仲未做得到呢一個位。係，好，咁我跟住交俾 Johnny。
Hello， 大家好。咁我諗啱啱阿 Christine 咧 share 咗好多其實一啲我哋覺得好 amazing 嘅 campaigns 啦，其實係 with 一啲 AI 嘅 assistant 可以做到嘅。咁但係個問題其實我哋又再 further discuss， 同埋我哋再推遠咁其實嚟緊嘅 AI future 係啲乜嘢咧？因為其實大家好容易諗到 AI 永遠係講 future 嘅，咁所以我哋 at the moment 成日都覺得AI 好神奇啊，好 amaze 啊，咁但係到底點樣為之用得好嘅 AI？ 其實我哋係應該睇緊個 future 嘅，即係可能你見到左手邊，我哋 AI at the moment 咧成日強調就係個 power of precisions， 即係講其實我哋可能呢度1、2、3咧，其實係講緊我哋點樣去寫一個 prompt， 即係講緊係有幾 precise 啦。可能我哋at the first stage 可能係講緊我哋 make something cool for our brand， 但係你見到at the second stage 嘅時候咧，我哋會其實個 brief 咧可以 precise 好多，可能我哋話俾你聽佢係一個 summer campaign， 我係 target Gen Z， 我哋係想用一個比較 warm 嘅感覺嘅。咁再加第3，其實就係一啲 exceptional 嘅 output。咁基本上呢啲 prompts 咧，其實咧我相信 from 之前嘅 presentation 啊，或者你上網去揾嘅話咧，其實都好多人都係講緊你要好 precise， 你要利用呢個 tools 去做你想做到嘅嘢。咁但係咧，你可以 foresee 到嚟緊嘅問題會係啲咩咧？其實就係好似大家去玩 AI 咁樣，其實你 daily 應該都接觸好多 AI 嘅，即係可能最近你哋可能見到好多人就係佢同個明星其實可以去錫嘅咁樣，佢哋自己去 self-gen 一個 video， 咁大家其實都係 share 緊同一個 prompt 嘅啫嘛。咁所以 even 大家會 tailor-made for 大家唔同嘅 case， 咁但係可能個 base 咧，其實你相對上就會越嚟越類似啦。咁但係我哋其實喺做緊我哋嘅廣告、我哋嘅 campaign 嘅時候，成日都強調個 creativity 嘅。咁到底我哋應該點樣 make a difference 咧？而呢個 tools 嘅時候，其實我覺得暫時大家係未 masterpiece， 大家係未明點樣去玩，就係好 based on 個 prompt， 然後我就去 fine tune。但係你可以 expect 個問題就係呢度所講嘅 the million sunset problem。你個 sunset 其實可能係呢個夕陽、呢個日落好靚，但可能就將來嘅時候咧，你就會同其他個100萬個好靚嘅日落咧，都會係一樣。咁所以呢個好重點嘅時候係我哋真係要點去 understand 我點樣 as 一個 human 去用佢嘅。咁所以可能啱啱我哋 before 嘅 presentation 嘅時候，我哋見到有好多participants 喺度啦。咁可能喺呢度100萬人，唔係100萬 sorry， 100個人見證啫，係啦。咁其實可能到底個 future 會係點咧？而家2024 2025嘅話 ，at the moment 其實開始去 go to mass 啦，係 AI 嘅 adoption。even 大家嘅 social media 都會開始見到好多 AI gen 嘅 videos 咁樣。咁但係可能去到2026、2027，我哋點樣去真係？反而最重要咧係個 human existence 啦，即係因為當大家嘅嘢咧，可能真係會相對上 AI 有個框架裏邊咧，會越嚟越類似嘅時候咧，咁 human 嘅 insights 咧就反而係比之前更加去 premium。咁所以其實我哋最想講嘅嘢係咧，我哋係 keep 住要 stay human 嘅，即係我哋要 keep 住去做翻我哋日常嘅嘢，我哋唔好將我哋而家即係。因為大家都好好學啊或者成嘅時候咧，其實好中意研究 AI tools 佢點樣用。咁但係我哋唔可以淨係 focus AI 本身話緊俾我哋聽嘅嘢，我哋反而係要將我哋 AI tools 只不過係 facilitate 緊我哋本身做嘅嘢啦。但係我哋要繼續放眼呢個世界，我哋成日話 broaden 我哋嘅 horizon， 我哋可能係要 go travel 啦，去睇緊個世界發生啲咩事啦。呢個 norm 咧應該暫時永遠都係不變嘅。咁所以可能我哋繼續即係 even 去 travel 嘅時候，你唔好 focus 你嘅 AI， 你唔好 focus 喺你玩你嘅電話，可能你 go hang out with friends，even meet 一啲 strangers 啦，你去繼續啟動翻大家嘅五官，係去到可能你 feels 你嘅 art 啦、music 啦、food 啦，甚至係一啲 texture 或者甚至啲氣味。而其實呢啲咁樣嘅 expressions 啊，或者成啊，或者你嘅 emotion 咧，其實先係我諗 to 我哋暫時做埋 campaign 嘅時候，或者啱啱聽到一啲我哋見到一啲得獎嘅 campaign， 最重要嘅嘢就係其實我哋 bring 到一個 emotions， 我哋 build 到一個 connections， 而我哋覺得 AI 呢樣嘢係暫時佢未有一個咁嘅溫度係可以去 feel 到嘅。咁所以我哋即係千祈唔好因為有 AI 嘅 existence 啦，我哋就 forget 咗呢樣嘢咯。咁所以我諗我哋最後嘅 conclusion 咧係其實AI 係唔會 kill 個 creativity 嘅，但係我哋需要好 fully aware 到底其實 AI 係應該點用啦，或者其實我哋個 trend 係應該點樣咯。咁所以我哋成日話可能我哋成日開始即係由細個我都聽到而家就係 stay humble 啊 ，stay foolish 啊。但係喺我哋而家 AI era 咧，可能我哋仲有要加多一樣嘢就係我哋要 stay human 咯。咁呢個就係我同Christine 嘅 sharing 啦。多謝大家。
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, what a good team. Yeah, a very inspiring presentation and some thought-provoking points. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah.